Is your basket in there?
Yeah.
Did you find your Easter basket?
Hey, he gives me toys.
He did?
Yeah.
No way.
He did. Look at this.
They look like books. Look at all that stuff. Oh my gosh.
Nice.
Let's take the Easter basket out.
Mario. Super Mario.
Cool.
Super Mario.
Let's bring it over here.
Let's bring Super Mario over
And now you can look through it.
Wow,
Holy cow, look at that basket.
it's huge.
Look